Savannah. From the moment I met you, we've been best friends that are inseparable. We go on runs, bike rides, picnics, cook together, watch movies, talk for hours, and really got to know each other from the very beginning. I remember after 1 month of living together as roommates, I told you that I was going to marry you someday in front of the fridge. And I remember the time we went on our first official date to raw sushi on the rooftop, and how we talked about a long-term future together and getting a house together. Or the day that we told each other I love you for the first time. Savannah, you will always have my undivided attention now and for forever. I vow to be your loyal and loving companion, to love you when times are hard, and to always be by your side supporting you. I love you more than words can describe, and I know I've said it so many times, but you're the most special thing that's ever happened to my life. And I couldn't be more happy or optimistic about what the future holds for us. I can't wait to have a healthy family and be a fit mom and dad by the beach. I'm excited to grow with you, laugh with you, and love you with everything that I have. We're great teammates, and I wouldn't want anyone else to push me to be a better man. This is the moment that we've been waiting for, and you make me feel seen, and I'm the happiest man on earth.
Ross, I love you so freaking much. I am so happy that I'm standing here today with you. Never in 1,000 years would I think I would be living the life of Jess from New Girl, and look where we are now. When I told you that I loved you for the first time, it was the best feeling in the entire world. I knew I loved you after a month of living with you, but I didn't want to be that crazy girl, even though I am. You're my bestest friend, my soulmate, and my forever bubby. The lockdown was hard for most people, but it was one of the best times of my life because that's when we started this beautiful relationship. I can't wait to continue doing these things that make us laugh while we continue growing old together. You bring so much joy, love, and passion into this world. What I love most about you is how you will never give up and how loving you are. I know one of your biggest goals before you met me was to go to the moon, and I promise that I will help us get there. You inspire me, motivate me, and make me laugh. I promise to love you every day of our lives. I promise to challenge you. I promise to always be there even when times are hard. I promise to tease you and tell you that you're small, even though you know you're jacked. I promise to support you in all your challenges of life. I can't wait to have our happily ever after and create a beautiful family with you. I love you to the Plutos and back, times a million.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor to present to you for the very first time. Sure.
Trust this before I'm breaking down. Break it instead of wasting time. 'Cause I think that there's no place for us no